I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty. Steam must be running to play this game, so make sure to follow my steps. First of all, you should go to the Windows taskbar and select this upside arrow. If you do find the Steam launcher appearing like this, make sure to select the icon, right click and select Exit Steam. Go to any empty space in the Windows taskbar, right click on it, after that select Task Manager. Now once this appears, you should go to the search and type in Steam. If you do find it running in the background, select any process, right click on it and select End Task. After that, ensure that no Steam service is running in the background. Wait for a couple of moments. After that, we need to relaunch the Steam launcher. You will be redirected automatically right here, so go to the top left corner and select the Steam icon. After that, select check for Steam client updates. Wait for a couple of moments. It will start by checking if you do have an older version or not. If you can't find any download button right here, select close. Now go to the view option and select library. Scroll down, look for the Call of Duty game. I don't have it installed right here, so I'm going to show you using this one. Select this gear icon. After that, click on properties. Now all you have to do, go to installed files and select verify integrity of game files. Just wait for the process to finish. It will correct any error happening like this. Once done, close, go to the Windows icon and make sure to restart your computer, and you can retry and see if the error is gone. If you do find it helpful, please like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.